The stock reverse lights on a Subaru Crosstrek are way too dim. Let's fix that. Alright, here are the original reverse lights with the backup camera. Let's see. Alright, these are my original reverse lights. Alright, they're on now. I really can't see a lot. See, that's a problem. What if there's a Bigfoot back there? I'd have no idea. Alright, first thing you have to do is open this up. And the access to both of the reverse lights are here and here. One here and over here. Alright, now I gotta pop those open. First off, we gotta open this door. And it pops up pretty easily. Oh, you should be able to see the light right there. Alright. Oh. That's pretty easy to pull out. Oh. Maybe it'll make it a little easier to... Oh, there we go. Now what we're gonna do is swap that out with these, and hopefully we'll have a heck of a lot more light. Alright, let's see if this is just kind of plug and play. Oh, sweet. Yes, it is just plug and play. That's cool. Now we put this back in there. Move this that way. That gives you a lot more space. Shove this in here. And then just a light twist. All right. Now what we're going to do is put this back in. Start there. And it pops right in. Perfect. Now all we do is we wait for it to get dark and we test it. Hopefully I'll be able to see that way. Alright, we are going to see if the backup camera is brighter with the new lights. It's dirty because I was driving through mud, but it actually looks a lot brighter. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay. Now I'm going to look behind me and see if I can see more. It actually does look like I can see more because I can see those reflectors back there. That's a good sign. Sweet.